How to fix Hotmail login suspicious attempt. Now, whether you're trying to log into Hotmail yourself and you're receiving a suspicious login error, or whether after logging in, one of the mail that you're receiving says someone has tried to log in and it's a suspicious login attempt. Depending upon whatever the issue is, if you are the owner of the account, there is nothing to worry about. You could go to hotmail.com. First of all, click on the sign in button from the top right hand side and just try to log into your respective account. If it asks you for any sort of verification, you can simply make sure to enter those verification details like your phone, authentication, or anything as such. Make sure you're using the same Wi-Fi network and most probably the same device that you often use Hotmail with, and click the login button. After you log in, let's say you receive emails like suspicious login attempt and so on, nothing to worry about because someone is trying to log into your Hotmail account. As long as your Hotmail account or your Outlook or Microsoft account is secure, there's nothing to worry about. You could simply click on the gear icon from the top right hand side and make sure you go to the accounts tab and make sure you turn on two-factor authentication or anything as such in order to avoid any type of login or hack issues. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.